welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing something fun. Well, at least fun to me. And it is called slime. And so I have a whole bunch of slime right now. Sorry. It's gonna be, you guys might not be able to hear my voice a lot right now because it's raining, it's pouring, it's storming. Showers are on and off. Right now it's not right now. Right now it's not raining or storming or pouring or thundering or lightning or all that stupid stuff. Because if it wasn't, then the pool would be open. I have a pool in my neighborhood. But wait, anyways, let's just get on the topic about slime. So let's start with this one. This one is my absolute favorite. I say a lot of slimes are my favorite, but I think we have a winner. So this is a nice pink slime. It's very stretchy, let me just say that. I just love it. And has some glitter in it. I just love it. I also love the popping of slime. This one does not have good poking, but if everything's quiet, then maybe you can hear it poke. That's just the container here. Let me put it on top of my thing. It's not good at poking, but it is still my favorite slime. It can break sometimes. That's because it can be stiff a little bit, but just fix it up with some lotion. So I really want to keep playing with this slime because it's so nice and everything, but I know this whole video cannot just be about this slime. But actually it could, but bye. I hate putting that slime away. It's so sad. You guys can hate on those comments saying, girl, it's just slime, but I'm just gonna be dabbing on those haters. And ooh, this one's nice. Oh, never mind. This is actually a slime smoothie. Wow, it has sparkles and foam beads all in it. This is like a purple brown color. You might just see brown on the camera, but actually it has a little purple in it. Wow, this slime is actually nice and stretchy. It's a little sticky. And it's clear. I think yeah, it's clear. I love clear slimes. Wow, this slime is nice. It's so stretchy. Guys, I'm really honestly getting freaked out because I've been looking all around and I'm not allowed to go inside because no slime inside the house. Ooh, I'm Dad. No slime inside the house. You got it on your shoes, what you brought in the house, what you put it in the carpet, and you got it on your bed. No slime inside the house. It's ridiculous. But anyways, I'm literally scared, but that's not gonna stop me from this video because I keep on like hearing these like clown laughs and everything. And like, I'm getting very scared. If I like hear like 2 more, then I'm gonna have to stop the video and make a part 2 and come back out later because honestly, oh my God, did you guys hear that? I did. Guys, this is not a joke. You guys can hate and say, wow, I'm a scaredy cat, but dab on those haters. So anyways, back to this slime. So nice. Alright, let's move on to the other slime. There's not very much detail about that. That is a slime smoothie and not very much detail because it's just like, well, there's actually some good details in that because it's a bunch of slimes mixed together. Alright, now to move on to this one. This is actually another slime smoothie. I honestly love it. It's not sticky at all. Doesn't cause any spills. And I actually just added stuff in it today. It's the same color as the other slime I was just playing with. It's nice and stretchy. There's like some beads in it. It's falling. No. Wow, this might be actually a little sticky. And there's like these beads in them. And a bunch of other beads. Like this. There's also a blue one that I just saw. There's a bunch of foam beads. And I just added these in them today. Here, let me get all of them. They were such beautiful necklaces, but I cut them. So basically what I do is I take these necklaces, I get a pair of scissors, and I just cut them and put them in my slime. Some of them I don't, but most of them I do. I'm actually adding some in right now. Alright. I have all these colors and they're so pretty. They're like a mermaid scene. I'm actually gonna do this to my slime. I don't know why I just like putting the scissors in the slime. I don't know why. Alright, well, there's really no reason for that, so. This is like an amazing slime. Like, it's so freaking stretchy. Poking, I love. It's a glossy slime. And smiley face. Ah! It fell on my lap, it's fine. Smiley face. Because that's literally how stretchy it is. So, yeah. Move on to the other slime because we still got a lot to go. Well, not that much. This, I know I said this is one of my favorites, but oh my god, this slime smells so good. Like, I put hand sanitizer in it and lotion because hand sanitizer makes the scent and lotion just makes it like stretchy and stuff, but it was coconut scented. I added coconut scent, black raspberry. So these are the lotions I added. Coconut, vanilla, and then I added blueberry hand sanitizer, black raspberry, watermelon, strawberry, and kiwi. So 7 items, and it made such a nice smell. Like, honestly, it smells like so good. I don't know. It has so many foam beads in it, guys. I'm not even kidding. I know I said that this one was my favorite, but this one, like, I don't know. Maybe I have 2 favorites. I say every slime is my favorite. This is not a slime smoothie. It is just a humongous slime. But I do not like the color, so I'm gonna be dyeing it a different color. I'm going live next time, so I'm going to be like dyeing maybe some of my slimes that I don't like the color, and I'm gonna be like pouring in. I'm going to be changing the color, and you guys get to choose. And then I'm pouring in the change of color, thing. I have a bunch of the change of color thing. Basically, you just pour a little bit in, and by hot or coldness, it can change a color. So I will be doing that, and you guys get to choose the color that you guys want to change. So yeah, super nice slime. Smiley face. So happy. So happy. Like, I can do anything with this slime. I could even jump rope with it, but because that's like how stretchy it is. If like I had a mat down and the slime that wouldn't stick to it, I would do it, but I'm literally sitting on concrete right now, so I'm not doing that because I don't want my slime to get all ruined, because this is like the best smelling slime I've ever smelled. I don't know why. It's just like so nice. I need to smell a little more.
How's New York?
Good. And now my neighbor's ruining my YouTube video.
Oh, yeah.
It was fun. Sorry guys, that was my neighbor. That was my neighbor. This is also clear slime. So, yeah, you just asked me how was New York City because I just got back from New York City yesterday and I had a lot of fun. Really, was that the perfect timing to ask me? Like, I'm shooting a YouTube video. Does he not see it? Or is he too old and doesn't know about YouTube anymore? Alright, but anyways, this is the best smelling slime on the world. I don't care what your guys' slime smells like, but this is the best. Alright, next one. What the heck is this one? I do not remember making this. I'm scared to touch it. It looks very bad. Alright, I'm just gonna touch it, but like, I do not remember making this one. Where did this container even come from? I don't want to touch it. It looks bad. Alright, I'm touching it. Oh, that is terrible slime. What in the world? Ew. It's terrible slime. Okay, for the vlog, the YouTube video, I'm just gonna take it out. Oh, it's super stretchy and everything, but it feels so bad. If I was rating these slimes, this would be a 0 out of 10. Doesn't the slime love that score? I mean, who doesn't love the score? 0. Ew. It has pretty sparkles and stuff in it, but why would I put it in this slime? I don't even know what this slime is. Ew, okay, I'm putting that away. Sorry, but that feels so bad. It's a little sticky, a little slippy in the grippy. That sounds so wrong. This is another slime smoothie. My friend Leandra actually made this, and she gave me a lot because she has a lot. It's that same color, like that brownish purple. And it has a bunch of these pretty beads. You guys can't see on camera, but they're like so pretty. They're like light green, pink, blue, gems, sparkles, foam beads. This slime is so nice. Whee! How stretchy this slime is. Alright. Poking? Let's try poking it. Hold on. That's nice poking. Alright. It's not my favorite, but good job, Leandra, because that's her name. I know she's watching my YouTube videos. Next, I have this in a Flurp container, but it's not Flurp because I don't know if I like Flurp that much. This is actually sand slime, not cloud slime. I love cloud slime, but this is sand slime. I only have a little bit of it because she was supposed to be selling it to her friend, but she was so nice to give me a little bit. It's actually pretty, the color. On the camera, it might just look like a gray, but actually, like, it's a silver and a gray and a light, very, very light blue. And I love this color. It does not smell the best, but I can fix that. mix this in a slime smoothie, but I don't. It's so sparkly and has foam beads in it, like all my other slimes. I'm addicted to foam beads. Alright, well, let's see if it actually like makes a sound, even though it's not Flarp. No, it doesn't. Alright, so I think that was all of my slimes. Oh no. After we gotta do the putties and then the sand. So this is my friend Leandra's slime. I gave it to her and she left it here. It used to be putty, but now it's like so like, what the heck did she do to this? Like, I told her, what did you do? And she loves it. Like, look at this. Like, this is not putty. This is not slime. This is not anything in the world I have seen before. And this is one of my longest YouTube videos. It's already at 16 minutes. Wow. Alright, so. Alright. Alright. Come on, close. This is like literally so hard to close. Alright, there we go. Good. Alright, so next, oh my god. I do not want to open this, but for the sake of the video, I will. So I mixed a bunch of my slimes together, even the putties. And it is like so bad. Like when you touch it, like the putty, like look at my hands. And it will not come off. You have to get it off with another slime. Like look at my hands. You can barely see it on camera because they're light colors, but I'm not even gonna play with that, honestly. Right? Now, those are done. The slime is done. Now we just gotta take out another slime so I can wash. Well, not wash. I can get the other slime off. And I'm using my favorite slime. No. What? No. But it's okay because there's barely any on my hands, but it's still very sticky. Alright. Alright, now moving on to the putties. I have this unicorn color changing putty. If I can get it open, my hands are like so slippery. Oh my god. I don't think I can get, oh yep, I got it. So it's purple right now. See that, everyone? Purple. Might not be able to see it on camera, but that is literally purple right now. Now, I'm gonna play with it, and it will turn pink. Putty is literally so hard to get out of the container. Oh, some of it has been changing. Pink. Changing. It's like a purpley pink, but still changes. I'm not lying, guys. It actually does say. See? Now it's like a pink. Not lying, guys. It actually says color changing. See? Can't see it on camera, but amazing putty, unicorn putty, color change. We're just gonna put that unicorn putty up. And now, this clear magic putty. It's so terrible. Can't even stretch it. Let's try stretching it. Barely. Alright. It's a nice blue. I really like it. But let's just move on because that one is boring. This is one of my longest YouTube videos I've ever made. Alright, so next I have this other putty. This one is always so hard to get open. I don't know why. This one is so hard to get open. Barely had to use their teeth sometimes. There we go. There we go. And it bounces. I will go inside because I can have putty inside, but I just can't have slime, and it bounces. It's pretty purplish, bluish. It has a bunch of sparkles in it. I hate how you can't see it on camera because I know hate is a strong word, but it's just like so pretty. That's so many sparkles. And then, all right, 2 more putties and I'm good, and I have to go pee so bad. I know that's not your guys' business, but all right, let's just get these 2 putties done with and I can clean up and go to the bathroom. So, these are little putties. So. It's so small. But there, how small that is, like look. Alright, so next we have this other putty. Alright. Oh my god. This one will not open. I'm trying to open it. Oh my god. This is the last one too. Ow. Oh wait, I'm getting it. Hold on. It's coming. Wait, I'm gonna get it. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god. Well, I thought I had it. Oh my god, guys. I don't think this one will open. Oh, wait. Oh god. Like, it's almost there. Like, see how that's lifting? But, like, it won't lift. I feel like one of my family members pranked me. I got it! Yay! This one is white and it has a bunch of sparkles. So maybe you might be able to see this one on camera because it's white. Guys, look how small this putty is. So, yeah. That is it for today. And if you want to shout out in the next video, only 3 simple things you have to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your post notifications and be subscribed for a chance to get a shout out in the next coming video. Bye! I love you. Mwah.